trickiest parts of geometry can be drawing diagrams. We're going to practice that here in number 10. It says we have a base angle in an isosceles triangle that measures 37 degrees. Draw and label the triangle, and then we could also solve to find the vertex angle. Okay, so if I'm going to draw a isosceles triangle, remember isosceles just means that two of the sides are the same. Okay, if those are my two legs of the isosceles triangles that are the same, then my base angles are down here. The description said that one of these has to be a 37-degree angle. Okay, now if we're going to try to find this angle up here, now that we've drawn this this isosceles triangle, the other thing that you should remember about an isosceles triangle is that not only are the legs congruent, but these base angles are also congruent. So if this one's 37, this one has to be 37 degrees. Now, if I'm looking for this angle up here, the whole triangle is 180 minus the 37-degree angle minus the other 37-degree base angle, 60, 74. Together these are 74 degrees. So 180 minus 74 degrees gives me 106. This is a 106-degree angle. Now, does it really look like it? Not really. My diagram's off a little bit, but that's okay. When I draw things, I do them initially just to make sure I've got the angles in the right place. The reason this diagram's off and the reason this doesn't look like 106 degrees is because these don't really look like 37-degree angles, do they? They look much larger. So if I was to redraw this, and there's the base of my my isosceles triangle, a 37-degree angle is probably much skinnier. It looks something kind of like that. And if I do the same thing over here for that 37-degree angle, now this vertex probably looks more like a 106-degree angle. So if you want to start with something like this and redraw it, that's a good way to do it, as long as you're thinking through the steps and why it looks the way it does.